welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you using the if base and an example how to paint rusty surfaces, and then we will subject it to the oxidation process. I don't know if you know this, but metal alloys such as bronze or copper over time due to oxidation lose their natural beautiful golden color and turn more into, I would say, shades of light green and sea blue. I really like to use this effect on my models, and I have to say it took me a while to learn how to achieve this satisfying effect. Okay, but I think I'm pretty close to this, so I decided to show you how I paint it. The base itself reminds me a bit of, I would say, nuclear bunker hatch. I don't remember this element from the game, but I will try to paint it exactly with this game's post-apocalyptic background. I didn't know before that the Statue of the Liberty in New York City, founded in 1886, at the very beginning had a beautiful brown goldish color, and over the time the color faded and began to change it to blue, and now it's pale green. I would like to achieve a similar effect with the base, but first I will start to clean it up. Black will be our base color and at the same time our primer. Next we will apply white color with a sponge. Black and white are the two most contrasting colors, best for achieve a shading effect, and in this technique it's important to do it asymmetrical. The greater the chaos, the more realistic the final effect will be. And I personally use matte black from Green Stuff World to increase this contrast even further. Okay, and now we start painting the rust and grime with an airbrush. The light brown color will be our first layer, and then we will use the other color variants for washes. For rust is the best what you can do is just to pick up some shades of orange, brown, maybe a little bit yellow. I have to admit, after drying, it looks quite nice in my opinion. And now we can go through the next stage. Next stage. Okay, we're adding the dry pigments. They can be used to add some texture, but they're also pretty great as an addition to color composition. Here I'm using copper powder. To finish our base, we will add a few ready-to-use effects from AK. It is important not to overdo it. These products have a very high pigmentation and it's easy, really easy to ruin the whole thing if we are applying those things just a little bit too thick. In the next step, we're going to apply hairspray, which will work here as a chipping fluid. Once the varnish is dried, we will start applying thin layers of paint with an airbrush. And to diversify the paint surface, I will extra spray a few more drops of the light green color. Warm, not hot water will activate the varnish beneath the surface. As you can see, some layers of paint did not withstand the treatment, and it's probably this is my fault. My mistake in choosing the wrong varnish. Maybe it was maybe the varnish was too strong, or maybe the water was just too hot, but there it doesn't really matter, and all the black chips will be incorporated in the whole composition pretty well. If you want to know how much time I leave between applying individual layers, I will tell you like this. I really don't know. I am an impatient person and I paint everything straight up, layer after layer, helping myself only in the meantime with a hair dryer, just to speed up this process a little bit. And yeah, this is my way. Final, I will paint a few more critical points in shades of light green, and then I will lower the transition between the colors with oil paints, with oil washes, and at the very end I will paint the edges delicate in the copper color. And that would be it. I am pleased with the effect. I hope you liked the new format also. I have recorded a few more episodes already and they will appear from time to time on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.